Time to clean the sheds. So before I get too far, this is how we keep our sheds clean. In the winter, it's about once a week. We'll come up with the tractor. Today I'm on lunch, so I'm just going to use the sled, grab the four-wheeler. So this is triggers. Doesn't necessarily need to be done, but I like to pick up the piles. I'll pick that up too. My horses tend to poop in the same spots. However, the big guys have had this all winter. And today we're going to switch and rotate things around. So they'll go out back on the grass. As you can see, we also use them as our lawnmowers. And Trigger will get the front for the summer. Well, no point in getting the four-wheeler out when you need some exercise on lunch. So I'll just drag it down. So I just got to open the back gate for the big boys, shut this gate for the little boy, and Trigger will have the front to himself this summer. He keeps it chewed down, and it's chewed down by the time he gets on it, that it's just right and not too much. Miniatures shouldn't have that much grass. And those guys mow during the day, and then go out back at night. Alright, Triggers, I'll strip down. What I'll do is put a tarp on that and then stick his wagon in here to store for the summer. And that'll free up room in my tack room area. And he'll have the big shed all to himself in the front. Got just enough time to dump some more out. I guess Texie don't get rode today. Oh well. Good boys. I mean, how do you desensitize your ponies? What are you doing, you crazy pony? Up, driving forward. Look, there you go. Very nice. Okay, up to look. Very good. Who's in charge, him or you? Kids away, we're just walking. Nice. Push him out. There you go. Nice. Very good. There you go. Guess who tied up her horse for the first time by herself? Oh yeah. Nice job. So you want to say here, here. When you're saying hey, that's kind of a cue when we're running. So he's thinking you're wanting him to speed up, when we're wanting him to stay collected. Here, here. Now sit up and sit down. You have more leverage. Now don't, remember, you're stopping in the same spots every time. Anytime you're stopping at this end, it's the same spot. There you go. Now sit down, because he's popping you forward. You want to sit back. Sit back. There you go. I'll bring him down into a circle right here. There you go. Okay, now go back out to the edge. Yep. But trot them up through first before you get them cantering again. Yep, but that's some of that what you need to practice for the shows, so you can ride them through that stuff. There you go. Now he's listening nice. Nice and easy. Sit down. There you go. Easy. Say easy too. You can try that. a good spot to stop. There, so that's a different spot. Yep. Very good.